Hi, I'm Laura from Calgary, Alberta, and I am testing the Yardworks vacuum blower. I would generally speaking give this vacuum about a 3 out of 5 stars. It has two functions, one of which is this vacuum part here, for which you can vacuum up all your leaves right up into a system, and it has an attached bag that you can wear on it. It mulches them and makes it really easy for collecting your leaves and dumping them either into a compost bag or bin. That function is great. However, as you can see, I'm only 5'2", and this is where I have to hold the vacuum head just to make it work. That was very cumbersome for me and my back was quite hurting. It does also give the option to change between a blowing feature with a blower head right here. That function is nice. However, I think I'd be more likely to use it for a light snow than for my leaves. Overall, decent vacuum. Would have preferred it to be battery for going between the front and back of the house. Hi, I'm Laura from Calgary, Alberta, and I would probably not recommend the Yardworks vacuum and blower to friends unless they are over at least 5 feet 5 tall. Partially because, as you can see, I'm 5'2", and this is where it sits on me, and so it was quite cumbersome for me to maneuver around my very large yard. I would want some sort of light version. However, for someone who is taller and maybe a little bit more built than I am, this is a very functional tool where you have the functions of both vacuuming up the leaves into a bag for easy composting and the blower function head to either blow the leaves off of your sidewalks or also even for snow, which does make this more multifunctional. So for those who are taller and stronger, this is a very fabulous tool. For those who are smaller like myself, I found this tool quite cumbersome and I don't think I would use it in the future.